Welcome, fellow explorers, to the captivating world of Europe, where ancient secrets and mind-bending geographical facts await. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey that will shatter your perceptions and leave you in awe. Fact number 1. Hold on tight, because we're about to drop a bombshell. Picture this: the Mediterranean Sea, with its turquoise waters and charming coastlines, was once a scorching desert. Can you believe it? This breathtaking oasis transformed from a barren wasteland into a paradise, all thanks to some sneaky tectonic plate movements. Around 5 million years ago, the Earth's crust played a trick on Mother Nature, causing the Straits of Gibraltar to act as a dam and seal off the Mediterranean from the Atlantic Ocean. The result? The sea dried up, leaving behind layers of salt that created a mile-high salt wall. It's an incredible tale of nature's drama and resilience. Fact number 2. Prepare to have your mind blown, map enthusiasts. You may think Australia is the land of grandeur, but let's set the record straight. Europe, with its rich tapestry of history and diverse cultures, takes the crown as the larger continent. That's right, folks. Europe's got the size, the style, and the swagger. Maps often deceive us with their distortions, but the truth is out. Europe outshines Australia by a staggering 30%. It's time to rethink the way we see our world. Fact number 3. Get ready for a lesson in geographical independence. Greenland, a land of frozen wonders and majestic landscapes, is not just any island. It proudly stands as an autonomous territory of Denmark, like a rebellious sibling that charts its own course. But here's the mind-boggling part. Greenland is 3 times the size of Texas. This icy wonderland is a true force of nature, captivating explorers with its breathtaking glaciers and untamed wilderness. Fact number 4. Unleash your inner adventurer as we uncover Europe's best-kept secret, a hidden rainforest. Yes, you heard it right. Europe has its very own rainforest, tucked away in the mystical lands of Bosnia and Herzegovina. Step into the wonderland of Perusica, where towering trees, colorful flora, and elusive creatures will transport you to a realm straight out of your wildest dreams. This ancient forest, nestled within Suceska National Park, is a true gem, earning the nickname the Lungs of Europe. It's a sanctuary for over 170 species of trees and bushes, and more than 1,000 species of herbaceous plants. As you hike through the lush greenery, don't miss the breathtaking views from Bidikovac, a lookout point that reveals the magnificent Skakavik waterfall, cascading 246 feet into a forest-covered valley. Fact number 5. Get ready for a fiery spectacle that will leave you breathless. Europe proudly hosts one of the most explosive shows on Earth, Mount Etna. This mighty volcano in Sicily puts on a dazzling performance, with its fiery eruptions and majestic lava flows painting the landscape in hues of awe-inspiring beauty. Towering over the island, Mount Etna is the second most active volcano in the world, surpassed only by Hawaii's Kilauea. It hasn't had a major eruption since the winter of 2008 and 2009, but its regular volcanic ash eruptions make it a captivating sight for visitors. Hiking to the craters is an adventure of a lifetime, allowing you to witness the raw power and ancient history of this geological wonder. As you explore the volcano's ancient lava flows, caves, and active fume rolls, you'll discover a world that's both fierce and breathtakingly beautiful. So, my fellow wanderers, Europe has laid bare its remarkable secrets before us. From the Mediterranean's epic transformation to Europe's sheer-size dominance, from Greenland's rebellious spirit to the hidden rainforest and volcanic marvels, this continent is an exhilarating playground for those who seek the extraordinary. Are you ready to rewrite the story of Europe? If you're hungry for more mind-blowing adventures and crave to unravel the mysteries of our remarkable world, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this exhilarating journey. Prepare for the unexpected, because we're just getting started.